those that form white solid, they are all non-transition elements. Remember, you see, in the forms of solid, they are all white in color. In the forms of solution, they are all colorless. Take notes about this. Okay, in the exam, it's super popular that they ask you for the appearance. Okay, I see. Non-transition metal compound in the forms of solid, they are all white in color. In the forms of solution, they are all colorless. Okay, so you see next one followed by the anion test. Okay, remember the same thing. Okay, whenever you see the word silver, 100% they are testing for halide. Okay, halide means group 7 ion. So if there's chloride, AgCl observation white precipitate, AgBr cream precipitate, AgR yellow precipitate, and so on. Okay, acid. Okay, you test acid with you test carbonate with acid, because all metal carbonate dissolve in acid to produce what? Carbon dioxide gas. Okay, lime water turns cloudy. Then how do you test for nitrate? Okay, to test for nitrate, isn't it? Okay, these are the conditions needed. You need sodium hydroxide followed by aluminium followed by heating the solution. It produces ammonia gas. Okay, then whenever you see the word barium, 100% they are testing for sulfate. It produces barium sulfate. Observation white precipitate. Okay, to test for sulfite, you see the difference between these two are sulfate ATE SO4 2 negative, sulfite IT SO3 2 negative. Okay, good to know, June. Yeah, so you test sulfite by adding hydrochloric acid followed by warming the solution. It will produce sulfur dioxide gas. And then how do you test for the presence of sulfur dioxide gas? Remember, we test with oxidizing agent, acidified potassium manganese 7. Okay, it turns from purple to colorless. Okay, please remember this. Okay, it is 100% coming out. Cannot wrong, Yu Yang. As I mentioned already, sodium hydroxide test with chromium, it is green in color. Chromium only form gray-green when it is tested with ammonia. Alright, Yu Yang. Okay, next one. Okay, see. Okay, and ion test is super important. It is 100% coming out. Okay, so next one, flame test. Okay, see, you only need to know the flame test for these 4 metal ion, that's it. Only these 4. Okay, other than these 4, it is not needed in your syllabus. Okay, like lithium red in color, sodium yellow, and so on. Okay, remember, you see the color for the flame test, isn't it? Okay, for copper, it is blue-green in color. Okay, do not just write blue in color or green in color. It has to be blue-green. Okay, take notes about this. And then some tips for you guys. See, remember, see, the color of copper solid is just brown in color. Copper 2 oxide black in color. Copper 2 carbonate green in color. Anhydrous copper 2 sulfate white in color. And copper 2 ion itself, it is blue in color. Okay? Okay, see, okay, that's all you have to take notes for paper 6. But of course, you see, not all the chapters are important for paper 6. So you see, there are a few chapters that you have to take notes for the paper tomorrow. Like example, see chapter 2. Okay, chapter 2, which is the separation method. Okay, all the apparatus, all the separation. Okay, chapter 2. Okay, then chapter 5. Chapter 5 is electrolysis. Yeah, electrolysis is important for paper 6. Yeah, and then also chapter 6 and chapter 7 also. Yeah, chapter 6 is about endoexothermy, nothing much. Chapter 7 is about rate of reaction. Yeah, rate of reaction question, isn't it? Okay, it is very popular in question 2. Yeah, the rate of reaction, okay, plot the graph, okay, or draw the apparatus and so on. Okay, rate of reaction is important. Okay, chapter 8, acid-base topic. Okay, so important as well. Okay, and then that's it. Okay, so basic. But of course, you see, it is not that all the other chapter is not important. It's just that, okay, among all the chapters, isn't it? Okay, these are the chapters that you have to focus for paper 6. Yeah, these are the chapters that you have to focus for paper 6. And maybe chapter 9 as well. Okay, periodic table. But the most important one here are these 5 chapters. Okay, these 5 chapters are the most important one, okay, for paper 6. But of course, okay, try at least read through the other chapters as well. Okay, they might come and be like 1 or 2 sub questions from other chapters, maybe. Okay, but these 5 are the most important one. Okay, for your paper 6. Okay, what is the hydrated copper 2 sulfate is blue in color? No need. Hydrolysis, basically what you need to know about hydrolysis is used to convert the the polymers into monomers. That's it. Yeah, organic chemistry is not that popular in paper 6. Yeah, but at least it's true, just in case they ask you, okay, maybe 1 or 2 questions about organic chem. Okay, but these are the chapters that you have to take notes for paper 6. Okay, so you see, let's go into like 1 or 2 example.